Quarter 2, Math 3. Which unit is most appropriate to measure the mass of a watermelon? A. Milligram, B. Gram, C. Kilograms, D. Liters. Very good, kilograms. Which of the following tools is best used to measure the mass of a small object like a pencil in grams? A. Thermometer, B. Ruler, C. Weighing scale, D. Measuring cup. Very good, weighing scale. You're asked to estimate the mass of a paperclip. Which unit would be most appropriate to use? A. Kilogram, B. Liters, C. Milligrams, D. Meters. Very good, milligrams. Anna is helping her mother carry a sack of rice. Which is the best estimate of the sack's mass? A. 5 grams, B. 5 kilograms, C. 5 milligrams, or D. 25 kilograms. Very good, 25 kilograms. You used a balance scale to compare a book and a pencil. The scale tips towards the book. What can you say about their masses? A. The pencil is heavier than the book. B. The book is heavier than the pencil. C. The pencil and the book have equal mass. D. The pencil is longer than the book. Very good. The book is heavier than the pencil. Liam placed a mango on one side of the balance scale and a bunch of bananas on the other side. The side with the bananas went down. What does this mean? A. The balance scale is broken. B. The mango is heavier than the bananas. C. The bananas are heavier than the mango. Or D. The mango and the bananas have the same mass. Very good. The bananas are heavier than the mango. You are filling a water bottle using a measuring jug. The jug shows 1 liter. What does this tell you? A. The bottle is empty. B. The bottle can hold 1 liter of water. C. The bottle is too small for water. Or D. The bottle is measured in milliliters. Very good. The bottle can hold 1 liter of water. Why is a measuring cup marked in milliliters? Used when pouring medicine. A. Because medicine is solid. B. Because medicine is heavy. C. Because medicine is measured in liters. D. Because medicine is a small amount of liquid. Very good, because medicine is a small amount of liquid. You are helping fill a large cooking pot with water. Which is the best estimate of the pot's capacity? A. 5 grams, B. 5 liters, C. 5 kilograms, D. 5 milliliters. Very good, 5 liters. Why would you use a liter measurement instead of milliliter when filling a large water jug? A. Because liters are heavier than milliliters. B. Because milliliters are used only in cooking. C. Because liters are used for measuring solid objects. Or D. Because milliliters are too small for large amounts of liquid. Very good, because milliliters are too small for large amounts of liquid. You have a small glass and a large pitcher. Which container can hold more water? A. The glass, B. The pitcher, C. The glass is heavier. D. Both hold the same amount. Very good. The pitcher. Jessa is pouring juice in a small cup. Which is the best estimate of the cup's capacity? A. 200 grams. B. 200 liters. C. 200 kilogram. D. 200 milliliters. Very good. 200 milliliters. You are comparing a milk carton and a water jug. The milk carton holds 1 liter and the water jug holds 5 liters. Which has the greater capacity? A. The water jug. B. The milk carton. C. Both have equal capacity. D. The milk carton is heavier. Very good. The water jug. Miguel poured juice from a bottle into 2 cups. The first cup is full, and the second cup is only half full. Which cup has more juice? A. The bottle. B. The first cup. C. The second cup. D. Both cups have the same amount. Very good. The first cup. Which of the following shows the correct use of the centavo sign? Very good. A. What is the correct way to write 500 pesos using a Philippine currency symbol? Very good. D. Rico bought a bicycle for 4,275 and a helmet for 1,325. What is the total amount he spent? Very good, 5,600. You are buying a toy that costs 2,850 and a book that costs 1,120. What is the best estimate of the total cost? Very good, 4,000. Estimate the sum of 3,245 and 1,678 by rounding off both numbers to the nearest thousands. 3 will become 3,000. 1,678 will become 2,000. So the answer is very good, 5,000. A bookstore sold 3,275 books in March and 2,725 books in April. How many books were sold in total? Very good, 6,000. Lisa bought a dress for 2,450 and a pair of shoes for 1,850. How much did she spend in total? Very good, 4,300. Carlos paid 3,500 for a tablet and at 2,999 for keyboard. What is the total amount he paid? Very good. 6,499. What is the correct answer to 12 plus 8 minus 5 plus 10? Very good. 25. Solve 20 minus 6 plus 15 minus 4. Very good. 25. Miguel added 25 plus 15 minus 10 plus 20 and got 60. Is his answer correct? A. Yes, because the total is 60. B. No, because he forgot to subtract. C. No, because the correct answer is 50. D. Yes, because he added all the numbers. Very good. The answer is C. No, because the correct answer is 50. Mark solved 5,000 minus 2,345 and got 2,655. What should he do to check if his answer is correct? A. Divide 5,000 by 2. B. Multiply 2,345 by 2. C. Add 2,345 and 2,655. D. Subtract 2,655 from 5,000. Very good. The answer is add 2,345 and 2,655. Addition